Welcome to this tutorial on creating your first WordPress plugin. Today, we'll go through the steps to build a simple plugin from scratch. A WordPress plugin is a piece of software that adds features or functions to your WordPress site. Plugins can be simple, like adding a contact form, or complex, like a full e-commerce system. Before we start coding, let's set up our development environment. You'll need a local server like XAMPP or MEMP and a WordPress installation. Once that's done, go to the WP Content/Plugins folder of your WordPress setup. This is where we'll create our new plugin folder. Inside the Plugins folder, create a new folder named My First Plugin. This folder will hold all the files for your plugin. Now, let's create a PHP file inside this folder and name it myfirstplugin.php. This will be the main file for our plugin. Open myfirstplugin.php and add this comment at the top. This comment tells WordPress about our plugin. Make sure to change your name to your real name. Next, let's add a simple function to our plugin. Below the comment, add this code. This function shows a message. Now, we need to hook this function to a WordPress action so it shows on the site. To show our message, we'll hook our function into WP_footer. Add this line below your function. Now, let's activate our plugin. Go to your WordPress admin panel, click on Plugins, and you should see My First Plugin listed. Click Activate. Once activated, visit your site and scroll to the bottom of the page. This tells WordPress to run our function at the end of every page, just before the closing/body tag. You should see the message we added. If you don't see your message, check your code for any mistakes. Also, make sure your plugin is activated in the admin panel. Congratulations! You've just created your first WordPress plugin. From here, you can make your plugin better by adding settings, custom post types, or even connecting to APIs. There's so much you can do. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.